Arrowquip 8-foot crowding tub assembly video. This video is intended to be a supplement to the assembly manual provided with your product. Please be sure to read your assembly manual thoroughly, as it contains important safety warnings and assembly tips. The parts are very heavy. To assemble this product, you will need a forklift, 2 people, 3/4 wrench, 9/16 wrench, and an alignment bar. Before beginning assembly, please open all boxes to confirm that all parts necessary are present. Your product will come with the main frame assembled from the factory. In addition to the main frame, you will receive 2 curved panels, 4 joiner bars, 3 bent 1/2 inch by 5 inch carriage bolts, 6 1/2 inch flange nuts, 3 1/2 inch by 5 inch carriage bolts, 4 3/8 inch by 2 3/4 inch carriage bolts, 4 3/8 inch flange nuts, and 2 panel clips. Leave the gate strapped on the main frame. Place the bottom joiner bars and secure to the main frame by placing them in the designated slots. With the forklift, place a panel to the left of the main frame door. Connect with the 3 bent 1/2 inch by 5 inch carriage bolts and 3 1/2 inch flange nuts. Leave the nuts loose. The alignment bar can help hold the panels together. Place top joiner bar to connect the first panel to the designated slot on the main frame. Using the forklift, place the second panel. Ensure it sits on top of the bottom joiner bars. Connect with the 3 1/2 inch by 5 inch carriage bolts and 3 1/2 inch flange nuts. Leave the nuts loose. Place top joiner bar to connect second panel to the designated slot on the main frame. Tighten all nuts and bolts. Connect panel clips using 2 3/8 inch by 2 3/4 inch carriage bolts and 2 3/8 inch flange nuts per panel clip. Attach the tub to your system and enjoy your new crowding tub.